Hey y'all, today I'm back again with something. You go back it up. So I'm at school right now, and I did a post on my YouTube video that I was at school. I think I did. I don't know. And I'm supposed to introduce y'all to our friend. That was the one of them. He is stupid, and I don't nobody like him. But anyway, I'm gonna introduce y'all to everybody.
This time, can we do treasure shows? Can we do the
I'm not doing that if it's treasure show. I'm not doing no cool treasure show. I'm tired of it. I'm gonna do it lose anyway. Anyway, y'all. So
it is a little harder that I know.
Also, I'm gonna introduce y'all to. I'm gonna introduce y'all to because he don't think I'm good. So y'all look like this, but check his drip out. So.
Here, I'll be nice to you.
But y'all, let me tell y'all the first name is Carter. So, look. So this is the first one. So that's the first one. So and then the next person is Nicholas Boy. No, the next person is Nicholas Boy. So we got the
No.
That's what he looks like. Yeah, I'm just not. You gotta clean up it.
Come on. Sit right here.
I'm about to introduce you. I'm about to get to the cute girls, y'all. In a minute, I'm about to get to the cute girls. Like the cute girls, like 1, 2, 3.
Come on. Sit here. Here.
Yes. 5.
Right here. Speaking English.
Job. The job. Y'all, she's the job.
Hurry up. Not waiting on you.
Okay, y'all, this is that's the job. And
Ariane, sit down.
I'm gonna figure out Kalea, y'all. Look at Kalea.
Ariane, sit down.
Yo, I'm gonna block that out.
Nicholas, quiet.
Y'all, don't mind that. Don't mind what you just did, bro. Don't mind. Yeah, we about to introduce us to more people.
I'm not waiting.
Jasmine! Come here.
Is it on the way out?
Come here.
Okay, we're starting. Guys, we are out of time if you want to play a game.
It's 2:39. Okay, introduce yourself. Stop watching this on YouTube. Hey, y'all, that's just me.
Y'all ready for this game?
Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all my look.
I'm ready for this game.
Nah, dear. Huh? Okay, y'all. We got to introduce y'all to Josiah. So he's right there. And just so y'all know.
Sean, sit. No. Sit down.
We got
You,
some
Sean.
nerdy people in here. Nerdy. Eddie. Like, not that nerdy. Stop, look, I had that. We about to sit on tissue, y'all, on my nose. Okay, so which one are you on? Hey, y'all, so I'm about to introduce y'all to our night. So that's our night, and I'm about to go to Shania. I'm supposed to send it to you. Shania. Okay, y'all, I'm like, y'all to Shania. So this Shania. Oh, girl, you cute enough. Y'all, why Riley and Terry are forcing me? Okay, you got to introduce y'all to.
Hey, I'm right behind you.
Please be quiet.
I got to introduce y'all to him. You want to get introduced?
Somebody's being weird to me.
Want to get introduced?
On TikTok. What?
Come here. Is this for you? Sure. I'm about to talk to Riley. Hey, say hi, Riley. I'm posting it. Oh, you is the real audience.
What?
If I took Zamilia, so she right here.
Oh, get.
Okay. And I think I did. Oh, Nadir. I'm about to introduce y'all to Nadir. Okay, that's Nadir. I'm about to introduce y'all to. My nose. Anyway, y'all, so that's all. We had that much people in my class. So, yeah, we had that much people in my class. And on this video, is going to be a banger. Oh, it's a banger. It's going to be a banger on the next video. I'm going to do a prank.
Stay right here.
We're going to do a prank. Yeah, we're going to do a prank on one of my friends because we be in the ODA class. And we're going to do a prank on our friends. How they going? We be doing pranks on them and stuff. And yeah, and that's how I roll. I don't know how I roll.
Yes.
And yeah. So I'm about to show this house to Keyshawn. Y'all, this Keyshawn right here.
That's the black one.
Okay, so yeah. And I got one person, but I don't want to shut up because he gonna cry. Right. Anyway, y'all, so that's all I wanted to introduce y'all to. My friends and stuff was in my class, and on the next video, I'm probably gonna do like a bigger video. I'm gonna name the video. I'm gonna probably do like how they feel. In the next video, and I need my phone. My teacher got my phone. It's not an Android, it's an iPhone. But I'm gonna show y'all it. I'm gonna keep this on because we got 4 minutes to release. We got 4 minutes to release. When you get my stuff, I'm gonna show y'all. I got an iPhone 7 Plus, and he got my stuff because I was the only chick in my mama. But we ain't gonna talk about that right now. But we're gonna talk about. But y'all look, like that's my friend. That's how my friend is. Like she might cute on my love. Like she cute. Yeah, very cute.
Quiet.
Okay. It was awesome. We have to leave in like 3 minutes, so yeah. Who is that?
I know all of this is now. Why you say
Hold that.
Anyway, John. Period.
that was it?
You know.
Hold it up.
You see Justin Bieber?
Yeah, y'all. So yeah, that's the thing. And I'm trying to show y'all my friends because I think I never ordered a video in my school. So yes, and like that, hit that subscribe button. And I'm dropping the baby back to back for the rest of 2020. Stop.
This is not bad.
Yeah, they irritating. Yes. Some of them irritating. So hit that subscribe button, comment. I'm gonna edit this video. I'm gonna edit it. Claire.
My friend.
Claire. Claire, you wanna help me edit this video? Okay, y'all. That's about to be the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for the notifications. I'm talking about back to back for the rest of 2023. So, deuces.